Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'll be away for vacation and a couple of days till the middle of February. So I'll be like super behind again and just probably schedule a couple of videos to keep the channel alive till I'm back. Anyway, today I'll be painting a bokeh landscape on a sketchbook. So I've really kind of like mapped out this very simple cityscape, and in the background right now I'm painting black and blue for the night sky and just a couple of very vague looking buildings in the background. And then this is going to be a road heading towards the buildings, and I'm going to paint these lines here in Van Dyck brown mixed with a little bit of black, and I'm going to separate them into two roads, and I'm going to start painting them in sections with the dark colors first. And on the right here is just another random building to add to the whole cityscape. So most of the colors here are brown and blue, and on these blank spaces I'm going to paint them in a lighter shade of brown, which I'll be using yellow ochre. And then I'm going to just fill up this whole thing here first. It looks very a bit messy right now, but what I like to do is I like to map out the colors first, so I have a rough picture of how the painting will look like. For the main road, I want to shade it a little bit, but I'll touch on that later. And then once I finish the first layer, I continue to work on the second layer once the paint is dried, and I'm going to paint it a little bit more properly this time. So for the sky and for this blank space here on the left, I'm using the same color as the sky, which is I'm mixing blue with black. And then for these buildings, I'm going to drag the paint down so it kind of blends with the bottom left half of the space that we were painting earlier. I'm mixing a little bit of brown to the black and blue earlier, and I'm going to try to blend the buildings into the background by dragging the paint downwards so it kind of blends seamlessly into one. Then right now I'm going to touch up on the road. I want to mute the colors a little bit because originally the yellow ochre is too bright, so I'm mixing yellow ochre with a bit of Van Dyck brown. And for this main road over here, I want to shade it. So at the sides it's going to be a darker shade of brown, and in the middle it'll be lighter in Van Dyck brown. But all this we're going to touch up on the road again later. We're going to add another lighter color, but we'll go over that on the third step. So right now I'm just painting over what I have painted earlier, and just to make the whole painting smoother. So when painting a bokeh landscape, you need to blur the background so that the bokeh lights layer will become the highlight of the piece. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blur all these lines by blending it with the background color, including the roads as well. So I'm going to reactivate the paint because this is gouache, so it's much easier with just a touch of water. And I'm going to kind of use the brush and go back and forth each sharp lines until it blends together as one. So you can see, like after you blend it, it looks a lot softer. The lines on a sharp, and you'll be able to create the illusion of a very blurred background. Once you've finished blending everything so that it looks like one gradient, we're going to add a bit of highlights. So I'm going to mix Van Dyck brown with Naples yellow, and I'm going to blend it on the road. So I'm going to start in the middle, and then I'm going to blend it towards the side so that the road brightens up, and also it gives this additional depth to the overall painting. On the right, I'm also going to add a streak of Naples yellow, and I'm going to blend it, and we're going to add lights near that later. On the right here, we're going to add a bit of columns on this building here to give it a bit more details, and I'm going to use burnt sienna, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to blend the sharp edges so that it just fits into the background. Next, we're going to draw the bokeh circles in two colors, orange and blue. First, I'm going to start with the buildings, and I'm going to just draw a couple of circles facing downwards. And as we come closer to the front of the painting, we're going to be adding more orange circles. Once we've painted the first layer of bokeh circles, we're going to blur them as well by muting them. So what I like to do is I like to mix the background color, and then I'm going to paint over the bokeh circles and blend the edges of the circles, just like I did with all the sharp lines earlier, until it becomes, like I said, a bit muted. And then for the next step, we're going to paint over them. So the idea of this step is to make the background bokeh circles look a little bit more translucent, so that the next layer of bokeh circles will stand out a bit more and it'll look like light sparkling in the background. So you don't have to worry about it looking a bit dark right now. Next step, we're going to paint a couple of solid bokeh circles in orange and orange yellow and blue mixed with white. So for this layer, we're not going to paint a lot of bokeh circles. We're just going to sprinkle it across the bokeh circles that we've already muted in the background. And this part here, we're going to paint a row of yellow and white bokeh circles, and this will kind of bring out the yellow streaks that we added on the road earlier on. And for the final step, we're going to add 2 lampposts on the left, and I'm going to be using the same color as the road. I'm going to mix Van Dyck brown with yellow ochre, and then for the second lamppost towards the back, we're going to add the light to it. So the space on the right side of the road looks a little bit blank, so I've decided to add something, some markings on the road, just to give it or balance out the landscape a little bit, and it is finished. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and goodbye.